Hi, my name is Lisa Domino, and today I will be sharing some dispositions about myself and what makes me a successful teacher. Um, I would also want to mention first that I am very passionate about teaching little ones. I have been in the education system for over 9 years, and I do possess a professional conduct. I'm on time, I'm prepared. Um, I've also made sure that I'm dedicated to what I'm doing. Um, I take the time to make sure that I have what I need to teach the little ones. Um, I build rapport with them, relationship, honesty, because children want to trust who is teaching them. They want to be able to, again, believe in what you're saying, and they want to be able to confide in you as well. Um, Also, I want to make sure that I'm always honest at all times with the children. Because when a child finds out that you've done something and you're not trustworthy, it's just like an adult. They find that hard to reproduce or to come back to. So we all always maintain that honesty. Also, I would include the fact that uh, with children that are maybe need a little special help or that are diverse or come from different economic backgrounds, they need a little help. I'll be an advocate for those children that are in need of help in different areas. Um, I would also be a great communicator with the parents because parents sometimes don't know how children feel at school. So you have to share these things also with the parents, also that uh, of children to make sure that they understand that I'm there for them and let the parents know that I'm there for them too. I have a few things that I need to work on. Well, not a few, but some. But one of them would be for me setting high expectations. Now that's a little hard for me because when children are coming to any grade level, when they come in, they're learning a lot of new things, and if you set the bar too high, they lose that drive for learning. So it's a little hard for me to say. Now, eventually, I do set the expectations high, but I have to work on doing that a little more. Even with myself, I tend to critique myself a little harder than I should, but maybe sometimes I should. I have to also work on that too, is in the area of me reflecting on myself. Because I have some strong points and I work really well with those strong points, but they're as far as reflecting to make sure that I am giving them their all. Maybe I can speak with some colleagues and to see how they do it, how they reflect each other. Maybe do an assessment on myself. Um, Even maybe they can video me like we're doing here, so I can see what I am doing that I need help with. Because there's just some qualities that a teacher has to have in order for them to be successful. So they must have classroom management. Make sure your children uh, have good rapport, and that the room has good climate control. You know, you want your children to be happy in school. Also, you want it to be safe learning environment. You want to be adaptable to meet those diverse needs of the other children. And you just have to be a person that's very compassionate and shows empathy for children. So that's not all of the qualities, but those are a few that I would like to list as great characteristics for a great teacher. I thank you for listening to my video, um, and you enjoy the rest of your day or your evening. Bye-bye.